Hello, Double O crew. Welcome to Obsession Outdoors. We have found a lot of fish.
And there are the fish, guys. That's our target. Stop focusing on the sticks. There we go. There are hundreds. And when I say hundreds, I mean hundreds. We just have to find a way down this hill to them.
We'll start with a little power presentation, little Joe's fly. Flashy, small. Alex got like a shad spoon. We've caught herring on stuff like this before, so we're gonna try that first, and if that doesn't work, we're gonna like dead drift, no weight, tiny little transparent plastics and stuff to try to mimic what they naturally feed on out in the ocean.
Crustaceans.
Crustaceans, yeah. We'll hopefully be able to catch them. If not, I mean, we're just gonna catch them by hand.
Yeah, if you had a net,
Let's see what we can do. I imagine this water is gonna be freezing because it's spring fed.
they're just like spawning salmon. They just don't care.
Which means it's not good for us because spawning salmon generally don't bite. Oh, this is gonna be cold, I already know it. I just want to get out to that flat right there and cast up to the ones in that hole. Holy crap! Oh, sheesh! Oh, 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 that's cold. That's cold. Ah, okay. Oh, cannot stand in the water. That is way too cold. Man, that's freezing. Oh, that was terrible.
Is it cold?
You're not cold?
It's like the pond was when we were.
You're insane. It's freezing.
It's a bit warmer than the pond was when we went for frogs. Okay.
God, I'm following it. Whew. Hey, look at this right here. Hey, come back. Come back. Yeah. I know they got that like razor on their belly, so I didn't want to grip too strong, you know. They cut you pretty bad with that. Drift this in front of this one's face, see if he hits it.
I know for a fact this will work for Pam. All kind of attention.
Yeah.
I think where I need to be is above them, not below them.
I'm just gonna drop it right in the middle and hope one hits it. I'll have to feel it if it does. And the school of fishing here is crazy. There's tons of them. Oh crap, that is so cold to stand in. I can't do it. How are you doing that? Last attempt here. Try a bright sparkly green and white shad dart. And then our day is gonna switch from fishing to herping. There we go, fish on. Yep. Man, these things fight hard. Snagged, unfortunately, but how hard they fight's ridiculous.
Any keepers?
Nah, these are herring. You can't keep these.
Just for fun?
Yep. Just like a hickory shad. Like a little mini tarpon. Blueback herring. Beautiful. See ya. Cool. Let's get some underwater footage.
It took me a while to do it, but I corralled enough of them.
Well, you got one.
Blueback herring.
In the net.
Gorgeous fish. No hooks required. No damage to the fish. I just wanted to catch something today. Beautiful. We can go right back. They're right by our feet here.
Well, this was a fun day, at least. Didn't have crazy action on the fishing aspect, but still fun to get out here and interact with this many fish. Just swam right into the net. Until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. Peace.